In this ukulele lesson, I'm going to teach you a great lick, Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to play this. I'm going to share ergonomic fingerings to make it easier, and we'll have a progressive practice session where we'll go faster and faster and faster so you can really practice and get it under your fingers today. This lesson is part of an extended lesson for patrons of this channel. Check the links in the video description or the pinned comment to get a printable PDF and a bonus lesson where we go deeper into this tune, we jam the whole thing, and explore some great holistic practice techniques. All right, let's break down the lick. It's really not too complex to play. All right, so we have the same pattern moving up the neck. To begin, let's identify the fingerings. You have the index finger, first string, second fret, middle finger, second string, third fret. This makes a diagonal shape. You can hear two notes. That's a harmony of a major third, a third apart. So that's our first shape, this diagonal shape across the fretboard. Now lift up the pressure and just let your index finger be your guide finger, okay? It never really leaves the string. It just slides up, lightly sliding up to the third fret, and then your ring finger comes here to the fifth fret. And that's our next shape, the rectangular shape. Now move up 2 frets, the same exact shape, 1, 2, and voila, you're at the 5th fret, 7th fret. If you're brand new to playing single note licks, you may like just to hang out with just getting comfortable with this shape, moving up and down the neck in a light way. In between each shape, lighten up your touch, feel that they glide lightly, and when you land, try to feel that you're not gripping with a lot of excessive force, just nice and light. And now that we've done it a couple times, we're ready to put it with some rhythm. You ready? 1, 2, nice and slow. 1, 2, 2 more times. 1, 2, last time. Very nice. Now we move the same pattern up to the C major position. Okay, so that's going to be 7th fret and 8th fret. We play the exact same thing. Okay, so now we can play this a few times just to get comfortable and begin to put some rhythm to it. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 2 more times. 1 more time. Can you feel the power that is in monotasking? Just do one thing at a time. You really start to develop some skill. Now let's glue those 2 sections together in a very slow motion tempo. Later in this video, we'll practice this going faster and faster. What's important right now is that we just have a sense of ease and control as we play these 2 licks together. 1, 2, here we go. Moving up, back down, right there. Stop. Feel your hand. What did tension build up in it? Of course, it's probably a new motion, and that's totally fine. If you really want to get this today, I would recommend that you practice at a glacial tempo. That's what my teachers always told me to do with all my classical guitar. This way you can be in control and appreciate all of the different nuances. And guess what? When you're willing to go this slow, you actually learn faster, and you're infusing what you're learning with ease and happiness. Really makes a difference. The speed will come, I promise, but if we're not willing to wring out the tension, even if we go faster, it will always feel a little cramped. Trust me, friends, I want you to have ease in your playing. And if you've watched this far, then I trust you do too. In just a moment, we're going to go faster and really work out this lick. Before we do, if you're digging this, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button so you keep in the loop of everything I offer here at Ukulele Zen. Now, all we need to do is to add the D7 chord and 3 notes, and we got the whole thing. This section's not too hard. You just strum and then pick 3 notes. 2nd fret, 3rd fret, open. Now let's have the progressive practice session. Each time we get faster, I want you to relax more and more. You can come back to this video anytime you want to practice. I hope you find this helpful and inspiring. Thanks so much for joining. Let's dig in. There is a real gift to sticking with just one thing at a time, monotasking. That's what we're going to do right now. Let's go slowly. 60 beats a minute will increase 10 BPM each time. First, tap your foot and just sing. Bum, 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 then play. As you can tell, it's almost harder to go slow to keep time. Your hand is also learning to soften up as it holds each shape for just a little longer. Let's go a little faster now, 70 beats per minute. 3, 4. Let's go around again. Two more quick tips. When things are hard, use the power of your smile. The corners of your mouth will relax all the muscles in your face. It is a real practice to smile through the tension and just let it go in the moment. Practice tip 2, find the moments in this lick where you can let go. Right there, there's a moment. You have to let go to slide, so really just let go. And practice that initial slide that we just worked with earlier. Now let's move to 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, here we go. Let go. I hope you're finding this video useful. Let's go now at 90 beats per minute. You can come back and practice with this video anytime. 1, 2, here we go. .100 beats per minute. You ready? 1, 2, here we go. Don't forget to smile. Hey, where did we go? It's starting to sound a bit like the tune now. 110 beats per minute. Let's cook. 1, 2, here we go. When you go faster, try less. Let go. 120 beats per minute. As you go faster, try less. 1, 2, 1, 2, let it happen. And finally, 130 beats per minute. 1, 2, here we go. Congratulations, you made it all the way to the end. Give yourself a huge pat on the back, watch this again, practice some more, and if you want to learn more cool licks, check this video out right here. Thank you so much, wishing you and your family good health, many blessings, and many happy years of music making.